My name is Terry. I actually came in on last Thursday to see Charm because I have been experiencing very irritated scalp. My hair was shedding and thinning out, and my scalp felt like I just wanted to pull it out. She actually did bring me, introduce this to me. She said whenever I'm peeling that on my scalp to spray it on there. I use this twice on my scalp, and I am not having any more irritation on my scalp. Thank you, Charm. You're a lifesaver.
I like the product because I was experiencing some hair loss once upon a time, and I found out it was due to not having a really good diet. I was experiencing some depression, and I was on medication. So Charm had introduced me to her new products for hair loss. And I have to say that after the first 30 days of using the oral vitamin as well as using the drops twice a day, I noticed the first 30 days that my hair started to grow and thicken back up. Whereas before it was thinning, and I used to, when I would comb it and brush it, I would just get a lot of hair, a lot of shedding. Yeah. And so with the oral vitamin and with the drops, using them together as a combination therapy for my hair, I did notice that my hair started to regrow. It was thickening back up. And even today, I'm on month 3. My hair is shedding less and less and less. Yes. So I would have to say that on the top of my hair and on the sides, it was really, 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 really thin. It was very weak. And so now what I could say is, thanks to Charm and her product, my hair is starting to become more fuller. Yes. My edges are filling back in, and I actually feel a lot better too, because with your mental health and your physical health, I did do some lifestyle changes as well to kind of help compensate for the hair drops and the vitamins. So making those life-changing alterations as well with your food and regular exercise and getting at least that 8 to 9 hours of rest, that contributed for regaining my hair growth. And
I'm a living testimony to just say, hey, products work. She cares for your hair, the nurture and the instead of styling, it's just all about how to take care of your hair, and that's what it's also about. Yes, a lot of knowledge.
Good. And you like the hair, skin, and nails?
Yes, I love the hair, skin, and nails. The hair follicles product is very good, as well as the oil.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.